Enhanced security can now be enabled during a clean install of a Victor 5.3 VAS. Basic authentication accounts will not be created when the Enable Enhanced Security option has been selected in the Victor installation wizard. As a result, the default admin and guard accounts will not be available. Instead, users will be required to log in using Windows Authentication. To perform the VAS installation with Victor Enhanced Security enabled, the installer must log in using a Windows Authenticated account with administrative privileges. The VAS installation can otherwise be performed as normal. For existing Victor installations upgraded to 5.3, Enhanced Security mode can be enabled from the Settings menu in Victor. Click on System Configuration, Settings, Configure Most Permissive Mode. Select the checkbox to enable Enhanced Security mode in Victor. Upon enabling this feature, users logged in using basic authentication will be logged out and subsequently unable to log in. In addition to this, on the Video Recorder menu, the Secure Connection option for adding a recorder will be enabled by default. This can be manually disabled if desired. Enhanced security in Victor 5.3, a vital part of your world.